Morning everybody. Now I take your math class. Today I teach you a new item, that is round off. First of all, we have to know what is the meaning of noun round off. Round off means estimation. If we say that 50,000 people appeared in the meeting, that is, it means 50,000. We cannot say the exact number 50. It may be 45,000 or it may be 55,000. So that this number is between 45,000 and 55,000. It may be 45,000, maybe. In practical life, we do not always need to know the exact value. We say approximate. That is, round off means approximate value of a number. Then we arrive at an estimate by rounding off. Rounding off. The rounding off can be 10, 100, 1000. But it has some rules, some procedure. If we say round off the following numbers nearest 10 to the nearest 10, then you have to notice the unit place value, unit place number. If the unit place number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to 10th place number, and after that we put 0. And if the unit place number is less than 5, the 10th place number is unchanged. That is same. That is 50, 50, 51, 50 hoga. 55 it is not changed, but 58, 60. Okay, that is round off. Round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. 65. Ones, tens. First of all, you have to notice unit place number, that is ones place number 5. So 6 plus 1, 70. 239. 9. Ones place number. 9, one place number. That is 200, 239, 240. That is 9 greater than 5. So 240. 392. Ones place number 2. 2 is less than 5. That is 390. 7,943. Ones place number 3. 3 is less than 5. So 7,940. 9,875. That is ones place number, unit place number 5. So 9,880. 5. So 7 changes 8. 9,880. Okay. First of all, tens place you have to notice ones place number, unit place number. Then you add 1 to the tens place number. Okay. Round off the following to nearest 100. If we say 100 place number, then we have to notice tens place number. If the tens place number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the 100 place number. And if it is less than 5, the 100 place number is unchanged. That is 316. 1 less than 5, that is 300. 4,565. Tens place number 6, that is 6 is greater than 5. So 4,600. 5 plus 1, 600. 8,576, that is 7 is greater than 5. That is 8,600. 6,514. That is 6,500. That is 1 less than 5. Similar case, if I say round off nearest 100, then you have to notice tens place number. If the tens place number is less than 5, the 100 place number is unchanged. That is 316, 300. 4,565, 6 greater than 5, so 4,600. 8,577 greater than 5, so 8,600. 600, 514, 1 is less than 5, so 6,500. 500. Okay. Round off the following numbers nearest to 1000. To 23,678. If we say nearest, roundabout nearest 1000, then we first of all we have to notice 1000 place, 100 place number. If the 100 place number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the 1000 place number. And if it is less than 5, the 1000 place number is unchanged or same, and after it we put 0. According to the digit we put 0. That is number 1, 23,678. 100 place number 6. 6 is greater than 5, so 23,700. 24,000. 6 is greater than 5, so 24,000. Okay. 12,399. 3 is less than 5, so 12,000. Unchanged. 1000 number unchanged. 14,743. 7. 100 place number is greater than 5, so 14,000. 15,000. Okay. 4,567. 5. So 4 we add 4 plus 1, 5,000. Okay. If we say roundabout 1000, we have to notice 100 place number. If the 100 place number is 5 or more than 5, we add 1 to the 1000 place number. And after this, we put 0 according to the digit. And if the 100 place number is less than 5, the 1000 place number is totally same or totally unchanged. That is 23,678. 6 is greater than 5, so 24,000. 12,399. 3 less than 5, so 12,000. 14,743. 7 greater than 1000 place 100 place number 7 is greater than 5, so 15,000. 4,567. 5, so 5,000. Okay. Now if you practice it, you have to do it very easily. Now I give you some worksheet, that is homework. That is worksheet. Round off the given numbers to nearest 100. Number 1, 15,449. Round about 100. 82,069. 2 number. 82,069. 3 number. 1,678. 4 number. 19 lakh 32,208. I repeat it again. Round off the given numbers to nearest 100. 15,449. Number 2, 82,069. 3, 1,678. 4, 19,32,208. Round off the given numbers to nearest 1000. Number 1, 38,097. Number 2, 7,893. 3, 50,921. 4, 47,31,129. Repeat it again. Near about 1000. 38,097. 7,893. 3 number. 50,921. 4, 47,31,129. Okay. Solve the word problems. Given word problem. That is, according to this problem sum, you have to solve it. Number 1. During the Kerala flood, 12,47,809 people were evacuated from their village. If this number was reported in the newspaper after rounding it nearest 10,000, what figure will appear in the newspaper report? I will repeat it again. During the Kerala flood, 47,809 people were evacuated from their village. If this number was reported in the newspaper after rounding it nearest 10,000, what figure will appear in the newspaper report? Okay. Number 2. The cost of a house is rupees 3 crore 16 lakh 65,880. If it was sold at a price rounded to the nearest thousand, at what price was this house sold? Repeat it again. The cost of a house is rupees 3 crore 16 lakh 65,880. It was sold at a price rounded to the nearest thousand. At what price was the house sold? Okay. Number 3. An author sold 45,379 copies of book. For the newspaper report, the figure was rounded to nearest 100. What was the figure given in the newspaper? I will repeat it again. An author sold 45,379 copies of book. For the newspaper report, the figure was rounded to nearest 100. What was the figure given in the newspaper? Okay, you have to do at homework in this math, and it is very easy and it is very clear to you. Next day I will do chapter 2, that is Roman numbers. Okay, thank you.